Hi YouTube, Engineer Boy 100. Today's video is on the construction of a platform for the Harbor Freight tire changer tool. It can be used with the Blue Wolverine that I'll be presenting and offering very soon. So it's 3 easy steps. All you do is, I'm going to radiate the corners to protect the wood and also for aesthetics. I'll add hinges for the 4 panels. They're 24 by 24 inches each. And I'll be adding some T-nuts. I'll show you what's on the table here shortly. And some bolts to mount the tire changer tool to the platform. I'll bring you in close, see what I have on the table, and then we'll get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is use this jigsaw to cut a radius on one corner on each panel. And I have them pre-marked as a guide. Once they're radiated, I'm going to inlet for the hinges. Then I'll take the actual tire mounting base itself and locate it where I want it. And then I'll drill holes for these T-nuts. And then the T-nuts, I will be bolting the tire changer down to the platform with these bolts. Corners are nicely radiated. Now we'll route the wood for the hinge locations. Okay, this is an overview of the layout for the hinges. The 2 hinges, front side is here and here, will be exactly where they are on the board right now. The other hinges will also be in the locations they are, but they'll be on the other side of the board so that I can fold the board in half and then I can fold them back on themselves to make one square. You can then put on handles or rope or whatever you want to make a little carrying case out of it if you want, or just leave it. Then I'll drill holes in each location where the tire changer frame is located currently. I'll put the T-nuts on the underside, and then I'll have the bolt and washer screw into those to hold it down. Okay, so we've installed all of the hinges. And now I'll show you how we open it and we close it for use. Now to install the T-nuts. They measure about 0.45 inch diameter, so I'm going to drill it with a 1/2 inch bit, so there's plenty of room for it to easily fit. So I'm just going to drill in place and put each T-nut in one by one. We install the T-nuts under the bottom and then snug them into place with the impact driver. With the 4 wing nuts installed, we have a nice platform to mount our tire changer on to change tires anywhere we choose.